Don't you just hate it when it just doesn't stop? With the change in weather, your skin can feel troubled. Summers can make your hair really oily and grimy, and all of that leads to, well, a lot of itching. Today I'm going to share with you a few tips to help you have a healthy and itch-free scalp. Lemon is your new best friend. It has antiseptic properties that can help you calm your itchy head. Just pour some lemon juice onto your scalp and keep it on for 10 to 15 minutes. You can also dilute it with water if you think it's too harsh. Rinse it out and you're good to go. Make sure you do it every few days to get the best results. Okay, this one is something that I shouldn't even be talking about. But just please go and clean that hairbrush that you've been using for a month and that has lint and dirt in it. Go, I'm waiting. There's a reason why they say that everything is good in small doses. Using a lot of chemicals over time can really damage your hair. And sadly, almost all products in the market have chemicals in them. But there's a fix to this. Coconut oil, aloe vera gel and apple cider vinegar are all natural conditioners. Use this when you feel that your scalp needs relief from all that product. Taking care of your skin from the inside is just as important. Try to avoid anything that is processed like sugar, gluten, dairy, soy and peanut. This could be a reason for your itchy scalp. Try including things like flaxseed, banana, apple cider vinegar, coconut, ginger, garlic. Isn't it really simple? All that you have to do is follow these steps and go from this to this. While the possibility of your hair flying in the middle of a closed room is bleak, you can definitely get a healthy and itch-free scalp in a matter of days. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. For more beauty tips and fun challenges, don't forget to tune in to POPxo Beauty.